The only instructions you get for putting it together are on the box. Because in the directions that come with it, it is the worst Chinglish I've ever come across. And in here, there's nothing saying anything about putting anything together. Okay, for assembly, get this one connector here. Very simple. This is right way up. Slide it into the back of the unit till the hole lines up right in that square cutout. And the bag of screws, extra pieces. So there are 2 screws. Will fit there. So you're pretty much left on your own as to what hardware goes where. I'm going to try one of these long screws because there's 2 of them. It is a long screw because there is a place for a nut. Doesn't want to put through the set. And the reason it's tail heavy is because there's no battery in it. Oh, there is a screw in here. Fitting. And then the screws on the bottom. I've already gone ahead and fully charged this battery, which takes a while when you get it. Oh, looks like it has a battery door on the bottom. You don't need to get the body off. Like I said, the directions are horrible. It says nothing about even a battery door on it. Now the white connector is for charging, which is weird because that's like 6 pins. I guess that's got to do with the electronics inside the battery pack. But to connect to the helicopter, there's this other connector. And I'm figuring out where the wires are supposed to go. Battery release ribbon out. No. You just gotta fish the wires up inside that way. And wrap the ribbon around the battery. Get that out of your way. And then put the battery door back on. Snap it in place. And screw it down. Now with the battery in, it'll be better weighted. No, I guess not. these mount. All the way in this bottom corner, very hard to see the hole from the outside here with this checkered pattern. Pretty cool pattern. Just makes it a little difficult to see that hole. So it's a screw and a nut that they only give you just enough of. They should be lock nuts. I'm gonna go grab a small pair of vice grips. It's probably way more than the helicopter does. I think the antenna is supposed to stay like that. Actually, it's probably supposed to run down the tail. Just because it looks kind of stupid being tied up around the skid. Give it one wrap around the front skid. Give it some tension. And hook it on the back of the stabilizer here. I've got to guess, because there are no directions. So for the controller, you have a screw holding the battery door on. I don't know why I'm using that when I can use this screwdriver. First, be careful of these knobs. They come off easily, and they're not fun to put back on. So you have this battery tray, which is odd. It's got 9-volt battery contacts on it. And I picked up Energizer rechargeables. This does fit really tight in this compartment. Again, a good thing. Tuck the release ribbon in there somehow. Put your screw back in, tighten it down. Normally with controllers, I leave a battery out when I'm not using it that way. There's no way it's draining the batteries. This one, I might take that out, I might not, I don't know yet. They are rechargeables. Well, that's it. It works.